Alright guys, I wanted to show you this truck I drug home. It is a 1977 C60 Factory four-wheel drive. Spent its life, from what I could tell, in the oil field. Had a big welder at one point connected to it, bottle racks, heavy duty all the way around, bumper suspension. It's got Rockwell axles, Rockwell transfer case, divorced. It's got a new process 5-speed transmission and a Detroit diesel 453 naturally aspirated. There's a big Tulsa winch on it, minus the cable. Looks like a Ramsey built, probably 20,000 pound capacity. This thing is big. It measures to the bottom of the wheel well right here is 52 inches. To the step on the fuel tank is 32 inches. 5-speed direct drive transmission. Twin stick transfer case. You got the front axle in and out on this one. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive on this, or I'm sorry, high-low on this one. High range and low range. Not much for gauges left in it or the interior. It's got an old tack, so there's no telling how many miles are on it. This is for the winch to engage it. Let me pop the hood, I'll bring you back. Alright, here's the engine compartment, as you can see. Detroit diesel. Let's see if you can see it in there or not. It is a 4-cylinder, 53 cubic inches per cylinder, so you get the 453 NA.